Welcome to our video on using the distributive property, combining like terms to solve algebraic equations. What I'd like you to do, if you have a decent understanding of this already, pause your program and just take a look at this and see if you could figure out what it would be. I'm going to walk you through it now. First thing we need to do is take that positive 3 and multiply it times the 2a and times the positive 1. Since there's no sign between the 3 and the parenthesis, we're going to distribute or multiply that positive 3 times each one of those terms. When do we do that? 3 times 2a is 6a. 3 times 1 is plus 3. Now we just need to bring the other terms down, a 5a. When we bring that down, we need to clarify that that's a positive because we have a term in front of it, is equal to 36. I'm going to combine like terms. 5a plus 6a is 11a, plus 3 is equal to 36. Now we're to a two-step algebraic equation. We're trying to get the variable or the letter a all by itself. Undo the addition, subtract, keep it balanced, do it from the other side. 11a, those two cancel, is equal to 33. We have 11 times a. Well, the opposite of multiply by 11 is divide by 11. To keep it balanced, do it to the other side as well, and we end up with 1a, or just a, is equal to 33 divided by 3, 33, excuse me, divided by 11, which is 3. If we want, we can go back and substitute this 3 in for the a. 11 times 3 is 33, plus 3, 36. Moving on to the second example. If you think you have an idea, pause, see what you come up with. As I walk through this, once again, I have a positive 3 times 4r, which is going to be 12r. Positive 3 times negative 1, and that's a key thing, is to see that it is a minus or a negative 1. And when I take 3 times 1, I get 3. A positive times a negative is a minus 3. I'm going to bring down the 2r. Now I have to clarify that this 12r is positive. Bring down the minus 10r. The minus 7 is equal to 18. I'm going to take a look, first identify like terms. I have a 12r and I have a minus 10r. Well, 12 minus 10 is going to be a 2r. Plus this other 2r is going to give me a 4r. If I take a look at the numbers that I can combine, negative 3 minus 7, I lose 10, which is equal to 18. To get rid of that minus 10, the opposite of subtracting 10 is adding 10. To keep it balanced, add 10 to the other side. When I do that, 4r, those cancel, which is what we wanted, is equal to 28. The opposite of multiply by 4 is divide by 4, divide by 4. And when we do that, we get 4 divided by 4, 1r. In algebra, we just say r is equal to 28 divided by 4, 7. Here's our last example. Take a moment, try to work it out. As I do this, I'm going to take that positive 4, multiply times a, 4a. Positive 4 times positive 7, 28. Bring down my other terms. A minus 3a. I now need to clarify that this is a positive 4a is equal to negative 56. Combine the a's, 1 minus 3 plus 4. Well, if it's 1 above and it drops 3 degrees, it'd be 2 below 0. If it's 2 below and it warms up 4 more degrees, it'd be 2 above. So a positive 2a plus 28 is equal to negative 56. To isolate the a, first we undo the addition, subtract 28, do it to the other side to keep it balanced. Cancel 28. Now, when the terms are the same with addition or subtraction of integers, we combine them. If I lose $56 and I lose another 28, I am down $84. Now, to isolate the a, divide by 2, balance it, divide by 2. A is equal to 84 divided by 2 is going to be 42. And a negative divided by a positive, negative 42. A is equal to negative 42. Thank you.